Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you a Hoysala architecture temple full of unbelievable intricate carvings. You have to see it to believe it. Chennakeshava Temple is located in Belur, a small town of about 30,000 population located in Karnataka state in India. Belur was the capital of Hoysala dynasty in ancient times. Approximately 1000 meters above sea level, this small town is big on Hoysala architecture. About 1 millennium ago, Belur was known as Velapura. The temple was commissioned by King Vishnu Vardhana in 1117 AD. It was an early Hoysala Empire capital. Chennakeshava Temple was built over 3 generations and took 103 years to finish. It is mainly a Hindu temple with some Buddhism addition. This is a very big site with lots of monuments. This was a monumental task given that the tools at their disposals were merely ancient chisels. Chennakeshava Temple site is covered with astounding intricate carvings. It is perplexing to think how ancient Indians actually can achieve such masterpiece with simple tools. You can see the intricate carvings from a distance as you approach the entrance. Then you will be struck by this awe-inspiring entrance facade which was remarkably carved in detail. Every step forward reveals even more details. When craftsmanship took to the highest level, every millimeter is not wasted. So delicate, so detailed, no mistake. You have to wonder what tools did ancient Indians use to achieve such mastery. The mystery is in the tools they use. If you think about it, why bother with such details and place it above the head on top of the entrance and too high to see it anyway? Believe it or not, this millimeter precision placed on top of the temple still baffles modern scientists today. Chennakeshava Temple has fascinating architecture and craftsmanship of ancient times, which makes us wonder how did they actually pull off this project. If you walk around the exterior of the temple, you cannot help but think that this millimeter precision carving was easy to do with ancient tools. The height of one row is only about 6 inches tall. This temple is full of enigmatic ceiling designs. These ceilings are made up of several blocks, hoisted up and arranged in such a way that you can actually remove them because they have no mortar. But the interesting fact is that these designs are uncannily similar to sound frequency. At a glance, this seems like an ordinary round shape with intricate carvings on parabolic design. However, the center piece is actually a separate piece that can be removed like a light bulb. It looks like an object that beams down certain energy or wave, just like our modern antenna today. Today, we have infrared heat for medical purposes. Maybe in ancient times, these ceilings were once used for healing. This parabolic roof design can also be found in other parts of the world. Perhaps we should do an experiment where sick people meditate under the roof religiously on a regular basis and compare the result months or years later. In fact, it is common to read that this is what the local people say, but it is always brushed off as silly belief. Believe it or not, to carve the 2 statues are already an impossible task. But ancient Indians decided to make things more challenging. They actually hoisted it up, rested it on the pillar and slid it under the roof. This is a job extremely difficult even for modern engineers to achieve. All this were done without damaging any of the intricate carvings. The lathe pillars are distinctly Hoysala architecture. These pillars not only spins to create circular disc shape horizontally, it was even cut vertically. This is the machine cut technology that we don't have today. The question of how it was made actually remains a mystery. These pillars have gear design. It was shaped horizontally and vertically and then polished. If it was to be mass-produced, wouldn't it be logical that they have a method to make all 48 pillars the same so that the project can be done quickly instead of taking a century? See the carvings on this wall. Could it be that these carvings are drill bits compared to modern titanium drill bits? Most megalithic Hindu ancient temples come with a kalyani. Kalyani means water tank. They are mysterious inverted pyramidal in shape. Today we use it as a bath for ritual, but in the past the original purpose is most likely for energy and health reason. This Kalyani water tank is believed to be built for the purpose of containing positive energy. Water is also believed to have the ability to absorb positive energy. So when priests chant, the energy released is absorbed by the water. Devotees of these temples believe that bathing in this water will give them this positive energy. Well, that's all for today. Thank you for watching my presentation on Chennakeshava Temple and see you next time. Acha Chaten, goodbye.